So the Rhino USA automatic retractable straps, they're really unique for a few different reasons. We're gonna strap down this pressure washer here, but check out how you can just literally pull this out, clamp it onto your, wherever you need to hook it on. And then our old straps that we used to use, these are getting jammed constantly. So with our older straps, to release them, you'd have to pull in this part here. Sometimes it really hurts your fingers. It's kind of sharp, and once it has a lot of tension on it, it doesn't release very easily. So this mechanism does not exist over in the Rhino USA straps. There's nothing that you need to pull on. You just push this button here in the center to release everything. Flip it to the other side, and then you can tighten it like that, like a normal strap. They're really heavy duty, and they don't get twisted like our other straps do, so I really like that. And then it'll lock into place, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then whenever you're ready to take it off, all you need to do is make sure this is completely flat, press this button here, and it's going to release everything for you. So then you can just unhook it and you're good to go. And then of course, since it's auto retracting, it's going to just pull in the rope. And I haven't really seen any other straps like this. So check out the Rhino USA straps. Hope this helps you make a more informed decision on whether or not you're going to get these. Hope you have a great day.